I just dropped $1,000 at COTE Korean Steakhouse at the Venetian, and I'm about to tell you if it was worth it. This is the hottest reservation in Vegas right now, a Michelin-starred Korean steakhouse. If you're planning a special night in Vegas, you need to know this, because everybody's talking about COTE, but nobody's telling you the real story, the stuff you need to know before you drop some serious cash here. Most Vegas food reviewers will tell you it's amazing just because it's Michelin-starred. They'll show you pretty shots of the meat and call it a day. But here is the thing, that's not what actually makes or breaks the experience. I've been hosting 75 to 100 groups every single weekend for over a decade, and I've sent thousands of guests to hundreds of restaurants across the city. I know what makes a dining experience worth the money, and I know what's just hype. So in this video, I'm breaking down the entire Butcher's Feast experience. The ordering process, the cuts you're actually getting, the tableside service element that's changing everything. By the end, you'll know if COTE deserves your money or if you should look elsewhere. First, let's talk about what COTE actually is. COTE is a Korean steakhouse, which means it's built behind the Korean barbecue concept, but elevated to fine dining. You're not cooking your own meat here. They have a dedicated butcher that prepares everything, and a grill master at your table who cooks each cut to perfection. It's interactive, it's theatrical, and it's completely different than ordering ribeye at COTE or SW Steakhouse. When we sat down, our grill master introduced himself. He explained he'd be with us the entire meal, cooking each cut, explaining the preparation, timing everything perfectly. This isn't your drop in the bucket, food and disappear situation. This is culinary theater, and that's the first thing you need to understand. You're not just buying meat, you're buying an experience. If you're booking COTE, mentally prepare yourself for this format. This is a 2 to 3 hour experience minimum. It's not a quick dinner before a show. Now let's talk about the Butcher's Feast specifically. The Butcher's Feast is their signature experience at COTE. It's the menu item that showcases what they do best. If you're going to COTE and not getting this, then you're missing the point. The Butcher's Feast is a prefixed tasting menu. It's $88.88 per person, and here's what you get. 4 different steak cuts prepared tableside, plus Korean banchan, which are the side dishes, plus their signature stew, plus dessert. It's designed for the table to share everything. Let me break down each cut they served us. They start you out with this appetizer, raw beef topped with an egg yolk. Cut number 2, that's the New York strip, a clean, simple preparation. This is where you can really taste the quality of the beef. Cut number 3, the ribeye, a beautiful American ribeye cap. It's a butcher's cut and thick, perfectly marbled. They cook this medium rare and let it rest. Cut number 4 is the Galbi, the Korean short rib. They saved the best for last because this is the star of the show. Thin sliced short rib, marinated in their house soy blend. Here's what made this special. Our grill master didn't just cook the meat, he explained each cut and where it comes from on the animal, why it's prepared that way, and how to eat with the accompaniments. He'd grill the Galbi and cut it with scissors right in front of us. Tell us to wrap it in lettuce with samjang sauce. Then he'd move to the next cut. It's like having a private meat sommelier. When you go, pay attention to your grill master and ask questions. They're incredibly knowledgeable. Don't be the table that just ignores them and eats. You're paying for their expertise, so use it. But here's where things get interesting, because the cuts are only half the story. Let's talk about what makes COTE worth the premium, and it's not just the meat. The difference between a good steakhouse and a great one is in the details, and COTE nails the details. First, the banchan, those Korean side dishes. They give you probably 8 to 10 side dishes. These aren't just fillers, they're meant to be eaten with the meat. The acidity cuts through the richness. The crunch adds texture. This is where Korean barbecue differs from Western steakhouses. You're building each bite. Then they bring you this tableside after the meat courses. A Korean egg soufflé, cooked in a cast iron pot and delivered hot to your table. It's sweet, it's fluffy. This is genius menu by design, because after 4 rich beef cuts, you need a reset. The restaurant itself is stunning. Modern dark wood, intimate booths, and the ventilation system is so good you don't smell like smoke afterwards. That's rare for tabletop grilling, and the noise level is perfect. You can actually have a conversation. Here's how our night played out. We arrived at 9:30 p.m., started with cocktails at the bar, sat down around 9:45, and the meal itself took around 2.5 hours. But it never felt slow. The pacing was perfect. Each course came at the right time. Our grill master was attentive and not overbearing. By the time we left around 11:30, we were full but not stuffed. That's a sweet spot for a special occasion dinner. Book the earlier seating if you can, like 6:30 or 7 p.m. This gives you the full experience without feeling rushed. Sit at a booth if possible, because the bar does not have seats. The booths are more intimate and better for groups. If you have 10 people or more, text me at 702-883-3006 for a private room quote. Dress nicely but not formally. Business casual is perfect. This isn't stuffy, but it's not casual either. A live DJ from the second story above the bar sets the vibe. Now let's talk real numbers, because this is what you actually want to know. Value is subjective in Vegas dining, but there are objective comparisons we can make. The Butcher's Feast was $88.88 per person, and we had 4 people, so roughly $360. Cocktails were about $400 total. Tax and tip was roughly $220. The total came in just under $1,000. So let's compare that to some other steakhouses. SW Steakhouse at the Win in similar quality beef, you'll spend $400 to $500 per couple easily. But you're ordering everything separately. Appetizers, sides, steaks, it adds up fast. Then there's COTE by Wolfgang Puck at the Palazzo. Incredible steaks, similar price point, but less interactive. You're getting great food, but not the experience. Then you have Bizarre Meat at the Palazzo. Definitely more experimental, similar price range, but very different vibe. More adventurous and less refined. Here's why COTE justifies the cost. You're getting variety, 4 different cuts. You're getting expertise, your own personal grill master. You're getting theater, a tableside presentation, and you're getting a complete meal, not just ordering everything a la carte. At most Vegas steakhouse, you're paying $75 for the steak, $25 for the sides, $25 for the appetizer, and $100 for drinks. You hit $25 pretty fast, and that doesn't include your tip and tax. At COTE, $125 includes everything but your drinks. This is ideal for couples celebrating something special, foodie friend groups, visitors who want something different than typical Vegas, people who appreciate the culinary experience. What this is not ideal for is people that just want a big steak, groups that want to get in and out quickly, anyone who doesn't like Korean flavors, and people that want to order everything their own way. If you're considering COTE, ask yourself, do you value experience over eating? Are you comfortable with a set menu? Do you have 2 to 3 hours to dedicate to dinner? If yes to all 3, then book it. If no to any of these, then you might be happier booking somewhere else. Before you book, there's one more thing you need to know. Getting into COTE is the biggest challenge. Let me tell you how to actually make this happen. The place is slammed and reservations open up only 30 days in advance, and they go fast. If you don't know the system, you won't get in. You can always text me for a reso at 702-883-3006. COTE only takes reservations through Resi. Step number 1 is download the Resi app. Step number 2, create your account now. Have your payment info loaded and have your party size ready. Don't wait until you're trying to book. Step number 3 is set an alarm exactly 30 days before you want to dine. Reservations drop at 9 a.m. Pacific time. Be on the app at 8:59 p.m. and refresh the screen at 9 a.m. to book. Step number 4 is be flexible with your time. The 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. slots go fast. If you're open to 6:30 or 9:30 p.m., then you'll have better odds. Step number 5, alternative options, walk-in bar seats. Here's what most people don't know. If you're staying at the Venetian or the Palazzo, contact your concierge. High-level concierges have access to reservations, but it's not guaranteed. But they have relationships, and it's worth asking. Also, if you're a Chase Sapphire Reserve card holder, they offer Resi priority access. You can book earlier than the general public. Do not show up without a reservation expecting to get in for dinner. It won't happen. Plan ahead, be strategic, and have a backup plan. There are other amazing restaurants in the Venetian if COTE doesn't work out. So here's my honest take after spending $1,000 at COTE. This matters because Vegas has no shortage of expensive restaurants. You need to know which one delivers. The meat quality is exceptional. Best Korean barbecue I had in Vegas, period. The tableside service is worth the premium. The pacing and the flow of the meal was perfect, and the space is beautiful. The entire experience is memorable. Now, some of the cons is the reservation system can be a little bit frustrating. The price point, while justified, isn't cheap. If you don't like Korean flavors, then this won't work for you. Would I send clients here? Absolutely. Would I go back? 1,000%. Is it worth the money? Yes, for the right occasion like my birthday. This is a special occasion type of restaurant. Anniversary, a birthday, some kind of celebration, not a casual Tuesday dinner. But when you want something truly unique in Vegas, something that combines incredible food with an immersive experience, COTE delivers.